Today we have a mystery package. I don't know who it's from. This is a big box. I needed to move down to the floor. Oh my gosh. I wonder, I think this is from Walmart. Oh my gosh. Disinfecting wipes. I use these every single day of my life. Oh, okay. Jessica. It is from Walmart. We love your positive attitude and we're so glad you've been able to find all your essentials at Walmart. Here is a token of our appreciation. Enjoy, your friends at Walmart. This is so exciting. All right, let's see what goodies are in here. Oh, yay! These look like little turkey crafts for my daycare kids. I'm very excited about that. And more, it looks like. Walmart spoiled us. Banana pumpkin bread. I have to smell this. That smells so good. My favorite candle scents are like baked goods smells. They're my absolute favorite. Then we have, what are you? Bubble detoxifying clay mask. Oh, fun. I'll have to do that with my girls. Oh, I don't have that many Thanksgiving books. It says I am thankful. A Thanksgiving book for kids. Oh. Walmart knows me. Like, has Walmart been looking at my board games? Because I don't have this one. And I have a lot of board games. They're all like in my playroom downstairs. Hi Ho Cheerio, yay! I used to have a version of this when my oldest two were younger, and we loved it so much that we lost a lot of the pieces. In fact, I think some of the cherries ended up in my daughter's dollhouse as play food. Another book! I love Pete the Cat. We love Pete the Cat so much, and I don't have this one. Oh, I'm excited. Oh, it has Thanksgiving cards in here. Oh, thank you. And another game we don't have. Yeti and my spaghetti. Oh, fun. I feel like this is very ironic because I think this got sent in the mail before this week, and we played with spaghetti for daycare this week, and we watched Pete the Cat this week. One more thing down in here. It is vanilla shea sugar scrub. I love sugar scrubs. And again, I love vanilla. Anything that's smells like cookies, I absolutely love. Oh, there's caramel cheesecake cookie down in here too. Thank you, Walmart. It feels so surreal to me that Walmart has seen my videos. That's crazy to me. Are you excited too? You want to say hello? Say bye-bye. Say thank you, Walmart.